Days of the Week in English, a learner's guide. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to explore the days of the week in English. This fundamental topic is crucial for planning, scheduling, and everyday conversation. Let's start our journey through the week. We begin with Monday, the start of the traditional work week. Many consider it a fresh start. In English, Monday is often associated with returning to work or school after the weekend. Next is Tuesday. It's the second day of the work week. In many cultures, Tuesday is seen as a day of productivity and getting into the week's rhythm. Following Tuesday, we have Wednesday. This day is commonly known as Hump Day because it's in the middle of the work week, symbolizing the hump to get over towards the weekend. Thursday comes next. It's often associated with anticipation for the upcoming weekend. In many professional environments, Thursday is considered a day for meetings and finalizing week's tasks. Then comes Friday, a favorite for many as it marks the end of the work week. Thank God it's Friday, or TGIF, is a common expression reflecting the joy of approaching the weekend. Saturday and Sunday make up the weekend. Saturday is often a day for leisure, shopping, and fun activities. Sunday, while still part of the weekend, is sometimes used for relaxation and preparation for the upcoming week. Remember, knowing the days of the week is just the start. Try using them in sentences and conversations, like planning activities or discussing your week. This practice will help solidify your understanding and usage. And that's your guide to the days of the week in English. With these, you're well on your way to discussing schedules and making plans in English. Keep practicing, and you'll master these fundamentals in no time. See you next lesson.